Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're battling extra dry skin and struggling to find a solution that actually works, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm reviewing Aveeno Skin Relief Intense Moisture Repair Body Cream. With its unique Triple Oat and Shea Butter formula, this promises to help restore moisture and strengthen your skin's barrier, leaving it soft and nourished. Let's dive in. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more honest reviews from Beautyistic. Aveeno Skin Relief Intense Moisture Repair Body Cream is a fragrance-free body lotion designed to provide long-lasting moisture and relief for extra dry skin. This cream features a Triple Oat Complex that combines oat flour, oat oil, and oat extract, all known for their skin-soothing properties. Additionally, it contains shea butter, which helps lock in moisture and improves the overall texture of the skin. This body cream is clinically proven to provide up to 72 hours of moisture, making it ideal for those who need continuous hydration. Plus, it's allergy-tested, non-comedogenic, and free of parabens, dyes, and fragrances. I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and I've noticed a significant difference in how my skin feels. First of all, it absorbs easily without leaving a greasy residue, which I love because I'm always on the go. The texture is rich, but not too thick, so it's easy to massage into the skin. I've applied it both in the morning and before bed, and my skin feels smooth and hydrated all day. No reapplication needed. It's especially soothing after a hot shower, and the best part, no overwhelming scent, just pure relief for my skin. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the cream delivers what it promises. My skin feels deeply hydrated and noticeably softer. The absence of fragrance is a big win for anyone with sensitive skin or those who prefer a product that won't clash with their perfumes. The 72-hour moisture claim is true, as my skin stays hydrated all day, even in dry indoor environments. However, it's not perfect. While the formula is great for those with very dry skin, I can see how it might be too heavy for people with oily or combination skin types. It's also a bit pricier compared to basic body lotions, but considering the quality and effectiveness, I think it's worth the investment for those who struggle with extreme dryness. As for value for money, Aveeno's Skin Relief Moisture Repair Body Cream is definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum for body lotions. But given its performance and the fact that it provides long-lasting relief, I'd say it's worth every penny if you're looking for something that really works on extra dry skin. The 11-ounce jar is a generous size, and a little goes a long way, so it should last you quite a while. If you're looking for a comparison, there are definitely other moisturizers in the market that promise similar results, like CeraVe's Moisturizing Cream. It's another fragrance-free option that's also very hydrating and might be a bit more affordable. However, Aveeno's unique Triple Oat Complex gives it a more targeted soothing effect for sensitive skin, which is something to consider if you're dealing with extreme dryness. As for build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. The cream comes in a jar, which is great for getting every last bit of product, but it might not be the most convenient if you're on the go. Still, the formula inside more than makes up for it. To the mid-review call to action, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this, the link is in the comments. I didn't have any direct interaction with customer service for this product, but Aveeno is a reputable brand known for good customer support. If you need assistance, you can expect a helpful response from their team. As for updates, there haven't been any significant changes to this product, so what you're getting now is the same formula that has been trusted for years. If you're working with a tighter budget, there are definitely options out there that will give you similar benefits, like the aforementioned CeraVe or even Eucerin's Advanced Repair Cream. They both provide excellent hydration and are great alternatives for dry skin without the premium price tag. So my final thoughts. Aveeno Skin Relief Intense Moisture Repair Body Cream is a solid product that does exactly what it says it will. Relieves and restores extra dry skin with long-lasting moisture. If you have really dry or sensitive skin, this is a fantastic option to consider. It's an investment, but it's one that will pay off in terms of skin comfort and relief. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.